Hey everybody, it's time for our next craft, and this time we're going to be making, a slinky dog. So in your craft kit, you're going to get one of these sheets of paper. Now, you have options here. If you like, you can just color these and cut them out and use them just like they are. But I also included some pieces of construction paper just in case you want to cut these out and use them as templates to cut out of the colored construction paper. So if you'd like to do that, you can do that. You can see that they're different sizes, so they fit the different pieces. Like that. Oops, I got two of those. And this one, the longest one, is going to be for those two long pieces that make the slinky body. And that's going to be really easy. You're just going to fold that in half, just like this, the long way, and then you can cut it right down that fold you just made. And the legs are going to be the same way. That's this next biggest piece here, and you can just fold that. Let's see, so these are the size. You can see the 4 of those will fit on there. So then you're going to fold that, not the long way this time, but the short way. Fold it in half and cut along that fold, and then you're going to fold it one more time, both pieces, because that's going to make 4 legs for your dog. Just like this. Now, if you'd like to, you can leave those legs just like that. But if you want to, you can also cut it kind of into the shape of whatever size paw you'd like. So you can round that a little bit. That works too. Oops, I got the wrong color. So then when you get all your pieces either colored and cut out or just cut out of the paper, you're going to take those 2 long pieces and you're going to glue them overlapping just a little bit into a long straight line. When you get that done, you're going to start folding accordion style. So you're going to take your piece of paper and in about 1-inch pieces, you're going to fold it over, and then you're going to fold it over back the other way, and you're going to keep going back and forth until you have one long strip all folded. Oops, let me get that. Into one. It's called an accordion fold, like this. See? It can go like that. After that, you're going to take the legs. I think the legs are next. And you're going to fold those up so that they just fold them in half. And you're going to take 2 of those. They can be overlapping. And you're going to glue them on the front of your dog, because those legs are going to help him stand up. So just like this. I'll turn it around so you can see that. And then you're going to do the very same thing in the back. And it's okay, again, it's okay for them to be overlapping. Make sure you get enough glue there. See, that didn't work very good. I didn't get very much glue on there. You need to tighten up your accordion, that's okay. I just push the folds really hard. There we go. Now you're going to take the head of your dog, and I already made gave him a little brown muzzle for me. And when you get your ears cut out, you can paste those ears on the back of your dog's head. Just like that. Oops. Okay. And then you can take your tongue, whether you colored it or cut it out, either one is fine. Just a little bit of glue on the end of that one. And you're going to put it like it's coming out of the dog's mouth. Oops. Just like that. When you get that part done, you can stick your dog right on the top of one end, right over where you put the legs. So just like, I think, like this. There, and then the only step left is to take your tail and put that on your dog as well. And that's going to go on the other end behind the legs. And there's your Slinky dog.